Hi guys, welcome to our interesting playlist that is a master in Linq query. So in this video, we are going to understand how we can get the first record from duplicate. That duplicate found in 2 times, 3 times, greater than 2 times, greater than 3 times. Based on that filter, how we can get the first record from group. So using this group by method in Linq query in UiPath. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to open this UiPath. Okay, so I'm going to apply the Linq query in UiPath. So suppose this is my Excel. Okay, so having 3 column. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, so this is my Excel. Okay, so here we have a duplicate entry. See, material code having duplicate entry 1, 2, and 3. So I want to get the only first record from this group. Suppose how many this record found. If it is greater than 2 times found, then I need to get the first record only. Suppose this record found only first time, then I don't want to get this record. I want to get the only duplicate entry. I want to get only duplicate entry. So how we can achieve that? So let's see. I'm going to first of all get the data from that Excel. Okay, Excel application scope and read range. I'm going to use that. Okay, and here I'm going to apply the read range. Okay, here I'm going to indicate that Excel. This is my Excel. Okay, and I want to read the this sheet 2. Okay, so here we have sheet 2. That's it. And output of this read range activity is a dt, means data table. I'm going to create that variable. So yeah, so that's it. How I'm going to apply the link query. So what I need to do, so here we have a column. I want to get the record, like that record found in greater than 2 times. Just I want to get the record, that record found in greater than 2 times. Okay, so that is my filter criteria. What is my filter criteria? I want to get the first record having that found greater than 2 times. Okay, so A found 3 times. See, A. Then I'm going to enter here A. Okay, so what is the next? Here again I'm going to get the 2 times, 1, 2, 3. 3 times means greater than 2. Then again I'm going to write the B. So like this I want to get that. Okay, so how we can achieve that using this group by method? So I'm going to take a assign activity. So here I'm going to apply the link query. Okay, so how we can apply the link query using group by method? I'm going to calculate the uh, that count. Okay, so here I'm going to write the query. So my second line is always, that is a iteration line from row in my collection dt. Okay, so what is the third line? So here I'm going to write the group by method. Okay, group by. Okay, so group by space. What is my criteria? My what is my property? My property is, here we need to mention the group property, group by property, or any specific key. Based on this specific key, or like based on this specific key or property, it is going to arrange the group. Okay, so my property is row in bracket that column name. My column name is, this is my column name, that is a material code. This is my property for a group by method. Okay, so I'm going to write here. Here I'm going to apply the dot to string. Okay, here I'm going to apply the dot to string. Then after creating the group, I need to store that group into the variable. So that is a here I'm going to store the group. grp is equal to group. Okay, so that's it. So what is the next? Here I'm going to apply the condition. What is my condition? My condition is, I need to get the data, that data found is greater than 2 times. Only I need to get that first record, that record found in greater than 2 times. How we can achieve that? Here I am going to apply the condition. What is that? Where grp means that group variable dot dot. Here I am going to apply the count. Okay, dot count is greater than 2. Okay, this is my condition. So if condition is true, then I need to select that group. Okay, select that group. And what I need to get? I need to get the first record from that group. So that's why I'm going to write the first. And then I need to finally copy to the data table. Copy to data table. So this is nothing but a link query. How we can get the first record from duplicate, having found two times, three times, greater than two times, greater than three times. That is my criteria. That is my condition. This is nothing but how we can get the first record from group, and this is nothing but how we can apply the group condition. Okay, so I'm going to click on save, and here I'm going to get the dt. I'm going to store that data table, return back to the same dt, and I'm going to write the dt into the excel. Okay, so I'm going to apply the right range. Okay, so always go with the add headers option when you are trying to add the data record into the data table. Go with this option, which is going to return the headers. Okay, so my dt is 5, seat 5, and this is my dt. Okay, so that is a dt. Okay, and finally I'm going to run this. Let's see what happens. It is going to get the greater than two records and write into the different sheet. Yeah, so this is my output. Okay, I'm going to copy this for better understanding. I'm going to copy and paste it here. Okay, yeah, only a found greater than two times and bbb also found greater than two times. Rest data, it's less than two times only. See, dd also found one times only. Cc also found one times only. E also found two times, but not greater than two times. It's only two times. Okay, so this is nothing but how we can apply the count filter, group count filter. Okay, how we can get the data having found greater than two times, only two times. Suppose I want to get the only two times, how we can achieve that? Instead of this greater than, you can apply the equal to two times. Means what? It will return the data found in two times, that record get into the dt. Okay, this is nothing but how we can apply the count filter. Okay, so we have already record, so I'm going to delete this first of all. Yeah, ee is equal to two times. Okay, so only that record found in two times. Rest data found greater than two times or one times or that kind of thing. See, a found three times, so that's why it is not going to return the a. So bb also one, two, three times, so that's why it is not going to return the bbb. Cc found only one times. Dd found only one times. Eee found only two times, so that's why this will return the only eee. See, it is going to return the only ee record. This eee record found two times, only one record in collection. And collection, my data table is my collection. Okay, so this is all about the how we can apply the filter or how we can get the first record from duplicate, and based on the criteria, and my criteria is group.count is greater than 2, equal to 2, less than 2. So this is nothing my group criteria, group count criteria. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so thanks.